Hello, and welcome to this introductory video on UiPath Change Impact Analysis for SAP. In large SAP environments, change is constant, whether it's system upgrades, configuration updates, or custom development. But every change introduces risk. The big question is, what is going to break, and where should you focus your testing? UiPath Change Impact Analysis for SAP gives you that answer, quickly and precisely. So, let's see how it works. In this example, we'll analyze 3 transports. Let's get started. By analyzing the technical dependencies within your SAP landscape, the tool identifies exactly which business transactions and test cases are affected by the change. This allows you to focus your efforts where they truly matter. I've selected 3 transports from my demo system. You can go back in time, search for a specific transport you want to analyze, and click the Analyze button. Within a few seconds, you'll get a comprehensive heat map as part of the Change Impact Analysis. It answers the key questions. What has changed? What is impacted? Where should I focus? Instead of retesting everything, you only test what's necessary. A blue box means the functionality is impacted by the change and a corresponding test case exists. A red box means the functionality is impacted, but there is no corresponding test case. This represents a gap in your test portfolio. This gap shows what was missed during test case creation and where you need to add additional test cases. This heat map gives you the big picture. For instance, when I choose to remove all non-impacted transactions, I can focus only on what matters. That means shorter testing cycles, lower costs, and less disruption to the business. In the list view, we can see the impacted transactions along with the transaction name, type, responsible party, the transport that introduced the change, and its test relevance, as discussed earlier. For functionalities without an existing test case, you can even generate new test cases automatically using Autopilot, as shown in the heat map. The tool also helps you understand the changes not just at the UI level but also at the API level. It provides additional information about which API interfaces, such as queries, IDOCs, RFCs, and BOPs, are impacted by the change. You'll see the transport name and affected BOPI, among others. In my current scenario, there is no impact on security key codes, but if there were, the tool would provide a similar heat map showing which transactions and users are affected. That means you get complete visibility into security impacts as well. So whether it's UI, API, or security, you're covered. If you're managing a system upgrade, deploying a transport, or preparing for SAP S/4HANA, you'll get a clear, prioritized list of what to test and why. With UiPath Change Impact Analysis, you move from a reactive to a proactive approach, minimizing risk, maximizing efficiency, and accelerating delivery. Thank you very much for watching. Let's bring confidence and clarity to every change you make to your SAP system.